as I am recording this, I am uploading my first video, so once you see that, you'll see this. So I hope you like it, and yeah, let's get it on. Run. Finally, the end of that level. Yeah, it took so long. Only 8 minutes. Yep, good. But you did. Let's see what happens here. Oh snap! What's happening here? That's not good. So yeah, it's a pretty fun game so far. Oh. Seriously? Okay, made it. Oh. Can't get hit by anything. Whoa. Oh. Jump. Oh. Run. Classic Indiana Jones. Crap. This is a difficult game. I need save states. Can't believe I made that with that hit. Oh. How did I throw that? Dang it. Crap. Whew. Made it through there. Holy crap, that was long. It was tough. Sorry for all those save states. Just too much of a noob to not do that. You know what? No, I'm just gonna save at the beginning of the level and just reload it. I'm sorry, I just went crazy when the save state's there. So I'm just gonna save state at the beginning of each level. Then if I lose it, I'll just reload that. Okay. So yeah. French archaeologist Rene Belloc. He's French. Awesome. And he's holding a book. The Golden Idol. Oh yeah, they didn't show that. I forgot about that. Oh jeez. Those of you works for the Nazis. It's not true. So I guess start of level 3. Screw it. As soon as it starts, I'm just gonna save state. Plane. Nepal. Sorry about that. Didn't know what to do. There we go. Push it. Woo. Oh, that's what I needed. I have a bag. Let's kill this. Get our whip. Oh, almost killed myself there. Bear trap, I'm guessing? Yep. Said die. Dave. I'm guessing that's a bad idea to touch those things. Yep. Don't know why there's 2 wet bags and stuff. Oh! It's W on my... Oh yeah, it's X. Hey. Not nice. Not nice. Die. Whoa, dang.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go with that. Never die, I'm gonna save state. You're kidding me, right? I don't have my whip. So that's why. What did I just get? I just got a gun. How do I switch weapons? Maybe. I don't know. Don't know how to switch to my... Ugh. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Let's go with right shift. I don't know what that does. I hope that means I can switch my gun. Actually, I'm just gonna get the whip because I don't need the gun. There we go. Dang it! I'm not dying like that. What is with the sound? Do you guys hear that? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the whip since there's no point. Oh. Maybe it was a better idea to get... Need some health. Oh, those are the birds. Jump. A safe stay right here. Stupid birds with your weird sound. No, I don't know how to... Oh. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do. Let's do this. Finally, end of the level.
Let's go.
Rolling log. It burned. What? Duh. I gotta go faster. Run for it. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta go faster. Go. Da-na-na-na. Oh. Oh. Said low. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna have to be it, so. See ya!